डियर फ्रेंड्स, मेरा नाम शकील है और आप देख रहे हैं जीनियस शिक्षा। फ्रेंड्स, आज के इस क्लास में हम एक बहुत ही बढ़िया मज़ेदार इंग्लिश स्टोरी के माध्यम से आपको जो है इंग्लिश पढ़ने का प्रैक्टिस कराएंगे। तो चलिए आज के इस क्लास को हम शुरू करते हैं। क्लास को शुरू करने से पहले आज के इस क्लास को कर दीजिए लाइक, क्योंकि आप बाद में भूल जाते हैं। और आप जो है आज के इस क्लास को लास्ट तक देखना और ध्यान से देखना, ताकि आपको जो है इंग्लिश पढ़ना आ जाए। तो चलिए क्लास को हम शुरू करते हैं। तो स्टोरी का नाम है द टॉकिंग पोटैटो। तो आइए शुरू करते हैं। देयर वाज ए फार्मर, ही लिव्ड इन ए विलेज, ही हैड सोन potatoes in his field, but he hadn't taken time to weed and water the potatoes. After 2 months, he went to dig up the potatoes. As he started digging, a voice said, "Why have you waited so long to come to me? You have not watered or cared for me. Go away and leave me alone." Who's speaking? The farmer asked, looking around him. "It's a potato," answered the dog, "and he is right, you know. You were lazy." The farmer was frightened. He could not believe his dog was speaking. He decided to tie the dog with a vine. He caught a vine sticking to a tree. "Hang me back on the tree," said the vine. The farmer became pale with fear when he heard the vine talking. He threw the vine on a rock. "Get the vine away from me," said the rock. The farmer was terribly afraid. He ran to the village as fast as he could. He wanted to tell the mukhia what he had heard. Soon he came to a fisherman who was catching fish with a net. "Why are you running, farmer? Is any lion chasing योर। आस्क्ड द फिशरमैन। इट इज नॉट दैट एट ऑल, एक्सप्लेन्ड द फार्मर। दिस मॉर्निंग ए पोटैटो सेड, लीव मी अलोन। माई डॉग सेड, he is right, when I cut a vine, the vine said, hang me back on the tree. I threw the vine on the rock, and the rock said, get the vine away from me. Now I am going to tell the Mukhiya what I have heard. Can any potato talk? Said the fisherman. He could not believe the story. You must be joking. The fisherman's net spoke up. Did the farmer get the wine away? The fisherman was afraid. He dropped the net and ran to the village with the farmer. Soon they came to a tailor who was sewing a shirt. Why are you running so fast? Is any tiger chasing you? Asked the tailor. It is not that at all, explained the farmer. This morning a potato said, leave me alone. My dog said, he is right, when I cut a vine, the vine said, hang me back on the tree. I threw the vine on the rock, and the rock said, get the wine away from me. And then said the fisherman, my net said, did the farmer get the wine away? You must have been dreaming, said the tailor. You are right, said the tailor's shirt. Now the tailor was afraid. He also ran with the farmer and the fisherman. They went to the Mukhiya. He was sitting in a chair. Speak, said the Mukhiya. Mukhiya ji, said the farmer. This morning a potato said, leave me alone. My dog said, he is right. When I cut a vine, the vine said, hang me back on the tree. I threw the vine on the rock and the rock said, get the vine away from me. And then added the fisherman, my net said, did the farmer get the vine away? And my shirt said to me, you are right, said the tailor. You fools, said the Mukhiya angrily, how dare you talk such nonsense to me? Go back to your work और I'll, ये जो है I will या I shall का शॉर्ट फॉर्म है. I'll punish you at once. All the three men ran back. Imagine, said the Mukhiya's chair, a potato that talks. Now what do you think the Mukhiya would have done? तो फ्रेंड्स, आज के इस मज़ेदार इंग्लिश स्टोरी में बस इतना ही. आज का स्टोरी आपको कैसा लगा है प्लीज़ हमें कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताइएगा. और आज के इस क्लास को लाइक करके अपने सभी फ्रेंड्स को व्हाट्सएप और फेसबुक पर शेयर कर दीजिएगा, ताकि वे लोग भी घर बैठे आसानी से इंग्लिश पढ़ने का प्रैक्टिस करते रहें. और आप चाहते हैं इसी प्रकार की इंग्लिश के क्लास का वीडियो जो है आपको मिलता रहे, तो नीचे दिए गए लाल बटन को दबाकर चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए और साथ में बेल आइकन को ऑन कर लीजिए, ताकि मैं जब भी इंग्लिश का क्लास कराऊं तो उसका नोटिफिकेशन डायरेक्ट आपके मोबाइल पर मिलता रहे. जय हिंद. फिर मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट इंग्लिश के क्लास में एक नए स्टोरी के साथ.